Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am going to show you some of the common steps on what you can do if you don't have any views on your TikTok videos at all. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we promise to bring you more awesome content and videos like this one. And without any further ado, let's get started. So in this video, we're about to simply learn how to fix the issue if you are not having any views on your TikTok videos. If you have not been getting any views and not reaching any type of visitors or viewers on your TikTok account or your TikTok videos, we're going to show you some simple solutions and fixes and reasons why these type of problems occur. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you want to simply make sure you have actually downloaded as well as installed TikTok to your device. I assume you've already done so. After you've downloaded and installed TikTok to your device, you want to simply open the TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now if I go to my profile page right over here, you can currently see that there is actually no views on this video right over here. So the common reasons for this is that at the top of the screen you can see that my account is currently set to private, and if I tap on this video here, you can also see posted a video but only followers will be able to see it, and that may be one reason why your videos are reaching very limited audiences on TikTok. So in order to fix this, we want to switch back to the personal or the public account. So what we want to do is we want to simply tap on the three menu bars on the top right hand side of the screen. And once you do that, at the bottom, you want to go ahead and simply tap on settings and privacy. As we do that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on privacy at the top of the screen. Once you tap on privacy at the top, you can see that our account is actually private. So in order to turn it off, you want to make sure that it is switched to a public account. So go ahead and tap on confirm and make sure your account is not private. Because if your account is private, that could be one of the reasons why you have very limited reach and very few views on your TikTok videos. The next thing is that it's a video settings itself. So if I tap on this video, you can see I haven't uploaded any captions, I haven't shared this video. There is actually no any type of hashtags, which is why it could be reaching very limited audience. So what I'm going to do is simply delete this video first of all. Now once I delete this video, I'm going to simply create another video and try to upload and show you some of the settings that could hopefully get your TikTok videos to rank up. So first of all, I'm going to simply open the video which I want to upload. Once I tap on the video, I'm going to simply tap on next, and then again I'm going to tap on next. Now here, which is the most important things, is that you can also mention other channels if you want to. You can also mention hashtags right over here. Hashtags are very important because when you type in hashtags, it shares your video to a number and a handful of audiences. For example, let's say this is about music, then I can simply type in hashtag music, hashtag jamming, and so on. Just anything related to what your content is all about. Once you do that, you can also tag people to reach more viewers. You want to make sure that you're actually setting this to visible to everyone option, because if your video is only set to your friends or yourself, if you set it to yourself, only you will be able to see your video. And if you set it to friends, then only your friends will be able to see it. And if you set it to everyone, then everyone else on TikTok will be able to see your video. So you want to make sure you have actually set this to visible to everyone. So that is why this could be one of the reasons why. So make sure you have checked your settings properly. And if you want, you can also automatically share it to your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger. That way you will get more views on your TikTok account. So these were some of the simple common problems and solutions on how you can fix if your TikTok videos have not been getting any views at all. We hope this guide video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.